In the previous tutorial, we've uploaded a new device. It was a new device for the Xbox controller, and we've uploaded a new mesh file, a 3D representation of the joystick. But now we want to upload a new robotic platform altogether. So there's a few details we need to fill in, so let's go ahead and start. Let's choose a device name, and I'll just call it an outdoor robot. Let's upload a mesh file. And let's wait for it to upload. In the meanwhile, let's choose a category, and this time we'll choose platforms and robots. And here we go, here's our robot. You can see it here. And the thing that is important is to fill out these details right here. So if you don't already have a mesh file, it's under production or something, you can choose one of the presets that exist here. Or you can, of course, as I did, upload a new mesh file and fill these details. So I've manually filled the details. So let's go ahead and create. Okay, and now we have the outdoor robot. We can click on it, okay, edit if we would like to, and here it is. Let's go to configurations. Let's create a new configuration. Let's call it test 3 and add. And let's add our new component. Okay, it's loading. Okay, and now let's add a device. So platforms, robots, and here we have an outdoor robot. Add a device. Let's wait for it to load, and here we go. Let's see it in a different setting. So instead of the designer scene, let's see a terrain scene. And here we go, this is our robot.